Hi, do you want an intro but made in Avee player? Don't worry, I will show you how to make a cool intro in Avee player. Let's go. So we just gonna use this default template. So first we're gonna remove this default text. You can make it white or black. It depends on your logo color. After that, we duplicate this and we found our logo, so we can make the intro. Since my logo had a black background in the back like this, I will remove this black circle thing with a color key. Color key. Let me make it black. Oh yeah, I forgot. I have to make it black. Now since we are done, we will make another logo like this. And add some blur effects so you can make it cooler like this. You have to make this white logo or blur effects logo in this shiny logo fade, or I don't know. Yes, you have to make it fade. Use track position and make it 25,000. It depends on you what amount you want. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Yes, you have to add an black white screen. Black edit and make it keep aspect ratio. You see, and you make it fade again like this one, so you can make it cooler. You can do this intro in any templates. Like example, in this template, so that's it. If you have any problems with this tutorial, please DM me in Instagram. Link in description. Okay, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you soon in another tutorial.